Howdy, howdy, howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 1960 furniture design, the Penton chair, by the artist Verner Penton. Penton was born in Gentofte Municipality, Denmark, in 1926. The artist is known for his use of bold colors and geometric forms within his designs. In 1969, he designed the interior of the publishing house for the magazine Spiegel, in Hamburg, Germany. The Penton chair was the first single-formed injection-molded plastic seat. This work inspires me to look to science and design for ideas in my own work. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.